Check out this channel. With just 24 videos, it has already gained 318k subscribers. History is always fascinating and people love learning about it. That's why historical videos often go viral. If you're thinking of starting a faceless YouTube channel, focusing on history could be a great idea. Just look at this popular channel. Every video has millions of views. Today, I'll show you how to create animated historical videos using AI. Let's dive in. History is a vast niche with many popular events and topics. To find success quickly, focus on well-known events. It's simple to find them. Open your browser and search for the most searched historical events. Once you have the results, compile a list of these events in a content planner. For example, my first video will be about the American Revolution. With our topic ready, the next step is creating a script. You can research and write one yourself, but using AI saves time and effort. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for this. Log into ChatGPT, start a new chat, paste this prompt with your topic, and let it generate a script for you. Now let's move on to video creation. You could record a voiceover, gather stock media, and edit everything together manually, but using an AI video generator makes it much easier. Open a new tab and search for Fliki AI. Then log in or create an account. To start a new video, click on the New File button. A pop-up will appear where you need to provide project details. Select Video as the file type, enter your file name, and choose the language and accent for your video. Since we're making a YouTube short, set the aspect ratio to portrait. For the Start With option, choose Script. Paste your customized script, breaking it into smaller paragraphs to create more scenes. In the content settings, choose AI Media and select the cinematic style. For more, turn on sound effects to make your video more engaging, then hit Submit to generate the video. Once your video is ready, preview it.
In 1776, a brave group of American colonists declared independence from Britain. They believed in freedom and self-governance, writing the Declaration of Independence. Led by Thomas Jefferson, they boldly stated that all men are created equal and have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This document sparked the American Revolution, a fierce fight for freedom. Against great odds, the colonists won their independence, creating a new nation built on the principles of democracy and liberty. This moment changed history, inspiring people worldwide to fight for their own rights and freedoms.
You can download it or customize it further if needed. To change any scene visually, click on the media icon and select from a vast library of royalty-free videos and images. If you want to generate new media, go to the Generate tab, select the media type and style, and enter a text prompt, or simply click Auto-Generate and your new clip will be ready. To change the voice, select a scene and click on the voice's name. Choose from a wide range of ultra-realistic AI voice actors, listen to a few, and pick the best fit. Apply this voice to all scenes by clicking Apply to all scenes, then generate the voiceover with the new actor by clicking the play button. Next, let's customize the captions. You can adjust the captions' text font, size, color, background, and display type to make them more appealing. After editing is complete, click on the Apply to All Scenes option so it copies the same settings to all the scenes. By the way, you can also change the background music from the common scene on the top, but I don't want since I like the current one. Now, let's finally download the video. Choose the video resolution and format, then hit the Export and Start button. Fliki AI will render the video, and you can download it to your device. That's it.
In 1776, a brave group of American colonists declared independence from Britain. They believed in freedom and self-governance, writing the Declaration of Independence. Led by Thomas Jefferson, they boldly stated that all men are created equal and have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. This document sparked the American Revolution, a fierce fight for freedom. Against great odds, the colonists won their independence, creating a new nation built on the principles of democracy and liberty. This moment changed history, inspiring people worldwide to fight for their own rights and freedoms.
Wow, that looks amazing! We made a great historical short video quickly and efficiently using AI tools. Now it's your turn. Start creating and launching your own historical shorts channel. I'd love to hear about your experience creating historical videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below.